Hello there, my name is Divvy, and I'm a div tag, a new graduate from Web University, my first week on the job. You might be wondering how a humble div like me ended up in the bustling world of the HTML Document Object Model, DOM. Well, let me take you through my journey, right from my college days to my first day on the job. Back in college at Web University, I was surrounded by all sorts of HTML elements. P, img, you name it. But I was always fascinated by the role of a div. It's like being the jack of all trades in the DOM. I love the idea of being versatile, of being able to transform into anything from a simple container to a complex styled section of a web page. I remember Professor HTML in one of the lectures saying, "The div is the backbone of web page layout. It's your canvas for creativity." That's when I knew what I wanted to be. Unlike P, which is always about text, or img, which is all about images, being a div meant endless possibilities. I could be part of a navigation bar today and turn into a photo gallery tomorrow. Fast forward to my first day on the job. Here I am, a new div in the DOM, ready to take on the world. My journey begins when the browser, the great interpreter of code, reads my lines in the HTML document. I come to life as a node in the DOM tree, alongside my sibling elements. It's like being part of a big family where each of us has a role to play in structuring the web page. But my existence isn't just about being part of the DOM. Oh no, it's much more exciting than that. Enter the browser object model, BOM. The BOM is like the window to the outside world for us elements. It controls everything from the browser window size to the console log. My interactions with the BOM are crucial. It's through the BOM that I get to know how to behave when the user resizes the window or when a script wants to adjust my style dynamically. One of the most thrilling parts of my day is when CSS comes into play. CSS, with its selectors and rules, is like the fashion designer of the web world. It decides how I, a simple div, will look and feel on the web page. A CSS decorator selector might dress me up with a beautiful border, padding, and margin, transforming me into a standout element on the page. I feel like a chameleon, adapting my style based on the CSS rules applied to me. My first day has been a whirlwind. From being a mere line of code in an HTML document to being rendered on a web page, it's been an incredible journey. I've seen how the DOM, BOM, and CSS work in harmony to create the user's experience. As a div, I'm at the heart of this symphony, playing my part in building the structure and style of the web. So here's to many more days of transforming, styling, and contributing to the dynamic world of web pages. I may just be a div, but in the realm of web development, I'm a canvas of endless possibilities. The day I got a peek inside the control room of the browser object model, BOM, was truly unforgettable. It was like stepping into the nerve center of a sprawling metropolis, where every interaction on the web page is monitored and orchestrated. As a div tag in the DOM, I always knew the BOM was there, like a silent guardian overseeing everything, but to see it in action was something else. The BOM isn't part of the DOM itself, but it's what allows the DOM to interact with the browser window and other non-document aspects of the web. How the BOM works. 1. Window object. At the heart of the BOM is the window object, the grand overseer of everything in the browser. It's like the mayor's office, controlling global functions and variables. It's also the global object in the context of the browser, meaning all global JavaScript objects, functions, and variables are part of the window object. 2. Screen, location, and history. The BOM's other components, like screen, location, and history, are like various departments in the control room. The screen object deals with the physical display attributes, location controls the URL, and history keeps track of where you've been. 3. Navigator and timing. Then there's Navigator, the browser's own GPS, giving insights into the browser and operating system. The timing interfaces like set timeout and set interval act like the clock tower, scheduling tasks in the browser. BOM's interaction with DOM nodes and CSS. 1. Manipulating browser features. BOM allows scripts to interact with the browser. For example, it can resize or close browser windows, show modal dialog boxes, or log data to the console. This means scripts can dynamically adjust layout and presentation, affecting how DOM elements like me are displayed. 2. Responding to user actions. BOM listens to user actions, say resizing the window or scrolling the page. These actions can trigger JavaScript functions that dynamically alter the DOM or the applied CSS. For instance, if a user resizes the window, BOM can trigger a script that changes my CSS styling to make me more mobile-friendly. 3. Accessing browser info for styling. Through BOM, scripts can detect the user's browser and its capabilities, and apply specific CSS rules or styles accordingly. This ensures that irrespective of the browser or device, DOM elements like me always look our best. 4. Event handling. The BOM's event model ensures that user interactions like clicks, keyboard input, or page loading are caught as events and appropriate actions are taken. This can mean manipulating DOM elements, changing their styles, or even dynamically loading new content into the DOM. As I marveled at the BOM's workings, I realized its significance in the grand scheme of things. It's the bridge between the browser and the content, ensuring everything from page navigation to dynamic styling works seamlessly. It empowers DOM elements like me to be more than just static content, to be dynamic, responsive, and interactive parts of the web experience. Truly, a day in the BOM control room is a day well spent in understanding the depth and breadth of web functionality.